from NCERT book, class 10th mathematics, chapter number 15. In that introduction, parting of probability. Probability means maybe, possibility, chance. Now you see, probability equal to chance of happening. Now chance of happening here, if it is possible or not, if the today is going to be rain or maybe not. So maybe not, that is a possibility. Now possibility of an event means PE, okay, equal to possibility of event indicate as PE equal to number of favorable outcomes, total number of possible outcomes. Now this is the formula of possibility, that possibility equal to number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable, that may be yes, maybe or maybe not be, that is favorable outcome, and total number of possible outcome means total number of possible, that may or may not be means 2 possible, so that is 1 by 2. So we'll just understood with an example that if you have coin, okay, they have two faces, that is head and tail. Okay, the possibility of head is, now possibility of event means PE for head is 1 and total faces is 2, right? So possibility of tail, now instead of PE I am writing here head, and instead of E I am writing tail. The possibility of tail is 1 upon 2 same, okay, one time, and total faces 2. The possibility is 1 by half. Now another example as dice. Dice have 6 faces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if the possibility of number 1 we can say, okay, so it is 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total faces is 6. Same as for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we can take if it is 6, so number possibility of 6 is 1 and total faces is 6, same as in another faces also. Now some important points are there in the probability. Let us see that some notes are there. Now it can be never be 0, the probability never be 0, and it can be never be more than 1, the probability never be more than 1. 0 lesser equal to PE lesser equal to 1. That means the probability is between 0 and 1 only, not more than 1, not a 0 also. Okay, if PE equal to 0, now if PE equal to 0, if you have the numbers is 0, probability equal to 0, then it is impossible event. Impossible if, for example, that if you are not going to exam, that is 0 possibility for the going to exam, right? So impossible event, that is equal to 0, possibility equal to probability equal to 0, and if PE equal to 1, sure, that is sure event, means you are going to do that thing, that is final, that is probability equal to 1. So that events means, if same example we can take that you are going to give exam and this is final, that you are going to give exam means surety, so it is 1. Okay, so repeat, just repeat this point, that it can never be 0, it can never be more than 1. So 0 lesser equal to PE lesser equal to 1. So probability is between between 0 and 1. So probability if equal to 0, then that is impossible event, and if it equal to 1, then it is sure event. Now elementary event. Elementary event means elementary event which has one outcome at a time, such as if we'll take the example of coin. Okay, only one possibility it is there for outcome. If it will came 1, either it will came tail, so if it will came head or tail. Now here for the dice also, only one possibility is there. In all the 6 phases only one possible is there. If in case it will come to so 1 only. Okay, for the 3 dice also 1 by 6 only, so only one outcome it is there, so that is called elementary event. Now complementary event. Now complementary event means, now your example is that is coin head and tail. Now this is the possibility of head, right? This is the possibility of head. हेड आने की पॉसिबिलिटी इक्वल टू 1/2. अब हेड नहीं आने की पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है, दैट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट. ओके, इफ दैट हेड नहीं आने की पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है, दैट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट. नाउ इवेंट वी आर राइटिंग लाइक दिस वे, PE. नाउ इफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट नहीं आने की पॉसिबिलिटी, दैट वी हैव टू राइट लाइक P bar E, means P not E, that is नहीं आने की पॉसिबिलिटी, राइट. अब किसी भी काम के नहीं होने की पॉसिबिलिटी, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट, राइट. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी आपके एग्ज़ाम में मार्क्स 80 आएंगे, दैट इज़ पॉसिबल इवेंट, राइट. नहीं 80 मार्क्स आएंगे, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड, देन दैट इज़ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट. ओके, नाउ वन फॉर्मूला इज दैट PE plus PE bar is equal to 1. Now we have had, right, the probability of had, that is 1/2. Okay, अब we have to find like this P bar, so that is not possible, so P bar as it is 1, so P bar equal to 1 minus half, so therefore it is P bar half. Okay, नहीं आने की पॉसिबिलिटी, दैट इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री इवेंट. नाउ इक्वली लाइकली, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इक्वली लाइकली, दैट किसी भी इवेंट की होने के चांसेस, फॉर एग्जांपल द बेबी इज बॉर्न. ओके, द बेबी इज बॉर्न, इट मे बी बॉय और गर्ल. नाउ योर इक्वल चांसेस आर देयर, equal possibility are there that there may be a boy, a baby boy or a baby girl. That means it is equally likely. Now non equally likely means होने के चांसेस कितने हैं और ना होने के चांसेस कितने हैं, that we don't know. That if you got an 80% or you are going to get a 35%, that you don't know, that in this exam how many percentage you are getting, so that is non equally likely. Now we'll do exercise 15.1. Complete the following statement. First one, probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E. Now this is a probability that is happen, that is होने के chances, probability that event that is happening, और ना होने के चांसेस, दैट इज PE bar, which is equal to 1, right. We know it is a complementary event. Now second one, the probability of an event that cannot happen is dash. Such an event is called dash. The probability of an event, now यहाँ पे that is sure that it is not going to be happen, that means it is 0. We are sure that it is not going to happen, that is 0. Such an event is called impossible event. Now third one, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is, now certain to happen means surely that is going to be happen, that event, so it is 1. And such an event is called sure event, or you can say certain event. Fourth one, the sum of the probability of all the elementary event of an experiment is the sum of the probability. Now if you have head and tail coin, we have to make a sum of this probability. Now probability of head is going to be head is half and probability of tail is half. So if we'll sum it, half plus half, so equal to 1. Okay, so any probability of any event, if we have to sum it, the answer is 1. You can take an example of dice also. The probability of an event is greater than or equal to, now you know that 0 less than and equal to probability of an event and less than equal to 1. So the probability of event is greater than or equal to 0, right, and less than or equal to 1. Now which of the following experiment have equally likely outcomes? Now you know that equally likely means 50-50 part. Now if here it is head and tail, now 50% we know that it head come, or 50% we know that the tail come. That is means like equally likely, and non-equally likely means we don't know that it is 50 or 50 or 80 or 30, that we don't know. Then it is said that it is unlikely outcome. Now first one, a driver attempt to start a car. The car starts or does not start. Now driver attempt to start car. Driver is starting a car, but we don't know that it is starting, they have started or not. There is non-equally likely outcomes because we don't know that it is started or not. So then it is called non-equally likely. It depends on many reasons. Okay, so first one answer is non-equally likely, and reason is it depends on many reasons. Now second one, a player attempts to shoot a basketball. He shoots or misses the shot. Now a player attempt shot a basketball. Now she or he shot or miss. We don't know that how much percentage or probability is shot or miss, that we don't know, so not likely. Third one, a trial is made to answer a true or false question. The answer is right or wrong. Now whether the answer is true or false, right? So here it is fixed that if 50% it is true, 50% it is false. It may be right or wrong. So it is equally, only two answers is there now. It may be one of them. So it is equally likely. And a baby is born. It may be boy or girl. That is equally likely. Question number 3. Why is tossing a coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of the football? Now why is the tossing, that we are tossing a coin, why is the tossing considered to be fair way? Why it is fair way that decide which team should get the ball at the beginning of the football game? Now here we have to write the reason for this. Answer is that tossing coin considered to be a fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of the football game, because when we toss the coin, there are only two outcomes. Now if we toss the coin, here one coin is there, okay, two outcome only, head and tail, right? Two outcome, head and tail, which is equally likely, if either way it is head or it is tail. Only two outcome is to one only. If it is head or it is tail, then it is called equally likely, and the result of tossing a coin is completely unpredictable. Okay, that it may be head, it may be not, it may be tail, it may be not, right? So that is fair way of deciding which team should get the ball at the beginning of the football game. Now question number 4. Which of the following cannot be probability of an event? Now which of the following cannot be probability? Here which is not the probability of an event? Now 2 by 3 is that it should be, our probability should be in between 0 and 1, right? So 2 by 3 it can be a probability. Minus 1 by 5, here minus 1 by 5, the first point is that in note that it can be never be 0, second is it can be never be, so it is negative number, so negative never came in probability. Okay, so B, we can prefer B, that B is not a probability. 15% can be a probability. D 0.7, that is also a probability. So here answer is B, minus, probability never be negative. Now question number 5. If PE equal to 0.05, what is the probability of not E? Now here it is होने की possibility, that is PE is 0.05 and P bar ना होने की possibility P bar, right? That is we have to find. Now we know that if this 2 is complementary event, so complementary, if we plus it, it is equal to 1. So let us find is P bar. Here PE is 0.05 and P bar we have to find. So we know the formula, PE plus P bar equal to 1. P is 0.05 plus P bar equal to 1. P bar equal to 1 minus 0.05. So P bar, the possibility is not happening, that event is 0. Here we will minus 1.00 minus 0.05. Cancellation 10, 9, 0, 5, 9.0. So 0.95 is the probability of not E. Thank you for watching this video.